According to the International Energy Agency, electric vehicles sales in Africa accounted for only 1% of the global market in 2024. But Ethiopia wants to change that. Kemeria Mehamed Abdurrahman set her sights on an electric car 4 months ago, joining more than 100,000 Ethiopians who have made the green switch.
Ever since I bought my EV, my power costs are a very minimum compared to the amount of money that I used to spend on gas. The amount of gas that's reduced by, I could almost say by 50-60%. I've been able to reduce the costs that I used to spend on gas.
Abdurrahman paid around $34,000 to buy a model from Chinese brand BYD, describing it as a long-term decision. She used to spend about $27 each month on fuel, but now spends the equivalent of $4 on charging.
I was getting tired of the line for gas. The line for gas just seems to be getting longer and longer in our country.
EVs are increasingly visible in the capital, mostly Chinese brands. Residents have even glimpsed the outlandish Tesla Cybertruck, which retails for over $100,000 crawling through Addis Ababa streets.
Most of our customers who buy electric cars are middle and high-income earners.
Electric cars are good and pleasing, but there are some problems, especially with charging. As you can see here, you can wait for 4 hours like this. When there is a power cut at home, you face this situation. It has been 4 days since the power went out in my area, so I am charging it here.
Rolling power cuts are a growing concern for EV owners in the country, but the government hopes these shortages will soon be a thing of the past. That's because the country officially inaugurated Africa's largest hydroelectric dam on Tuesday, a project that it hopes will provide energy to millions of Ethiopians.
We have more than 115,000 EV vehicles on Ethiopian roads in all categories. And also we have more than around 60 EV assemblies, plantations here. So that's banning make a contribution for the booming of EV landscape in Ethiopian roads.
Beryl Oro, CGTN.